Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Ace, where we enhance your automotive and automation knowledge. Today, we're focusing on a crucial accessory for every driver, the budget-friendly dash cams. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Let's break it down and find the perfect dash cam for you. Buckle up, let's go! First, let's talk about why having a dashcam is essential. Dashcams provide a reliable record of your driving, which can be invaluable in case of accidents, insurance claims, or even disputes with other drivers. They can also capture unexpected moments on the road, from beautiful scenery to funny encounters. Investing in a dashcam is a smart move for any driver. When shopping for a budget-friendly dashcam, there are several key features to consider. Look for a dashcam that offers at least 1080p resolution. This ensures clear footage that can be crucial in an accident. Models like the Oki dashcam provide excellent video quality without breaking the bank. The Oki dashcam offers 1080p recording, a wide-angle lens, and a compact design. It's easy to install and provides excellent video quality, making it a top choice for budget-conscious drivers. A wide-angle lens captures more of the road, giving you a better view of your surroundings. The Vantrue N1 features a 170-degree field of view, ensuring you don't miss any important details. The Vantrue N1 is a fantastic option with a 170-degree field of view and 1080p resolution. It's compact and discreet, perfect for those who want a low-profile dashcam that doesn't draw attention. This feature allows the dashcam to overwrite old footage automatically, so you never run out of storage. Most budget models, like the Rove R2-4K, come with loop recording, making it a convenient choice. It offers 4K recording, GPS tracking, and a wide-angle lens, all at a reasonable price. It's perfect for those who want top-notch footage without spending a fortune. A G-sensor detects sudden movements or impacts and automatically saves the footage, preventing it from being overwritten. This is a critical feature for ensuring that important evidence is preserved. Good night vision capabilities are essential for capturing clear footage in low light conditions. The APMan C450 is known for its impressive night vision, making it a great option for nighttime driving. Investing in a budget-friendly dashcam is a smart decision for any driver. With so many great options available, you can find a model that fits your needs without breaking the bank. Whether you prioritize video quality, night vision, or compact design, there's a dashcam out there for you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. Ride safe everyone. Thank you so much for watching.